Hey students, are Java errors wrecking your grades? Spending hours staring at red squiggly lines and cryptic error messages? We've all been there. Welcome to AiToolslink, your go-to place for AI tools that actually help. Today, I'm sharing 7 powerful AI tools to make debugging Java code a breeze. Whether it's a missing semicolon or a mysterious null pointer, these tools have your back. Stick around. Tool 4 is a total game changer. Code T5. Your code. Whisperer. Feature. Natural language bug detection. Benefit. Translate what your code should do into actual code fixes. Code T5 uses AI to understand your Java code like a human would. It reads your comments, your logic, and pinpoints exactly where it all goes wrong. Imagine typing, "This should return the largest number," and it shows you the fix. It's like having a senior dev looking over your shoulder without the judgment. Don't skip. Tool 2 is a lifesaver during exam week. 2. DeepCode by Snyk. Real-time suggestions feature. Real-time bug suggestions while you type. Benefit. Catch errors before they even happen. DeepCode scans your Java code as you write. Forget compiling over and over just to find a missing bracket. It even spots logic bugs, not just syntax ones. We're talking major time saver here, especially when your assignment is due in 3 hours. And yes, it works with IntelliJ and VS Code. 3. GitHub Copilot. Your AI coding partner feature. Intelligent code completions and debug help. Benefit. Fix and learn faster. You've probably heard of Copilot. But did you know it can explain your Java errors too? Just ask it what went wrong. And boom, a plain English answer with suggestions. Perfect when you're tired, stressed, and need answers fast. Which brings me to, wait till you hear about Tool 4. It literally saved one student's project at midnight. ChatGPT, custom GPT for Java help. Feature, conversational debugging. Benefit, real-time help 24/7. Meet your midnight coding buddy. One student shared how he was on the verge of tears at 2 a.m. His Java GUI app kept crashing. He pasted the error into ChatGPT, explained what he wanted the code to do, and in minutes, the fix was in front of him. Whether it's, why is this array index out of bounds? Or, how do I fix this logic loop? ChatGPT breaks it down step by step. It's not cheating, it's smart studying. Jetpack Analyzer, Dependency Debugging Feature, Java Package and Dependency Checker. Benefit, eliminate version conflicts and broken builds. Ever had your code break because of some random library? Jetpack Analyzer tells you exactly what dependency is causing issues. It helps clean up your build, .gradle or pom.xml, without hours of Stack Overflow diving. If you're working on group projects, this tool is gold. Stick with me. Tool 6 is underrated but ridiculously effective. Bug Radar AI, error prediction. Engine feature, predicts bugs before they happen. Benefit. Write cleaner code from the start. Bug Radar uses machine learning to analyze your patterns and warn you about bugs before you hit run. Think predictive text, but for your logic flow. For students learning complex structures like trees or recursion, this is like having an AI coach in the room. Visual Code AI Debugger Extension feature, visual debugging with AI hints. Benefit, see your logic errors in real time. If you're more of a visual learner, this tool is for you. It shows you how your variables change, where loops break, and even highlights skipped logic. Perfect for understanding the why behind bugs, not just fixing them. Ideal for exam prep and projects that actually make sense. That's all from AiToolslink. Hope these tools help you crush your next Java assignment. If you found a new favorite, hit like and subscribe for more student-friendly AI tips. And hey, comment below your worst Java bug nightmare. We've all had one. Java doesn't have to. Be a nightmare, not when you've got AI on your side. Until next time, happy debugging.